Now let's understand chapter 5, data handling. In data handling, some of the portions we have already done. The first is use of a bar graph. The first one is a bar graph where a single bar is shown, and the second one is a double bar graph where two bars are shown. The first bar graph is used when you have to compare and give information only about one type. It is used for giving information of only one type, whereas here it is comparison of two things at a time. You can see it shows double bar graph, and white rectangle is used for showing one type 1 year, and the shaded rectangle is used for showing another type of another year. So these are two types of graph, and in both the graphs we compare the information in the form of rectangles. So in this double bar graph, two rectangles are used together. We draw them together and then we compare. Like in the first one, what information does it give? The information of every bar graph is written below it. It shows the information is given in the form of academic years, and on one side it shows the another information, number of students. So this is the information given by it. In which year is the increase more? So you can see when is the increase. So there is constant increase, but in which year the increase is more? So from this rectangle to this rectangle there is a bigger increase, whereas in the other, from here to here, the increase is there but the increase is not much. So from 2003 to 2005 the increase is more. In the second double bar graph, same information is for two things. It shows what is the information given by the double bar graph. It gives information of subjects, and on the left side marks obtained by a student. So this double bar graph gives information of the marks obtained by a student in 2005 2006 and 2006 to 2007. In which subject is the performance improved? In which subject there is more improvement? So how will you see where the improvement is more? We will compare the white rectangle with the shaded rectangle. So you can see that in the first rectangle here and in this one there is a difference between the height of the rectangles, and in the other rectangles if we see there is not much difference between. So from 2005 to 2006, and then from 2006 to 2007 there is a improvement. In 2005 the child got 30 marks, and in 2007 and 2006 he got 60. So there is a great increase. In which subject has the performance improved the most? In which subject has the performance deteriorated, where the improvement has gone down? So the first year comes 2005 and 2006. If we see here the information has gone down, because in 2005 the white rectangle is for 2005 and 6. Here the increase is there, whereas in 2006 the rectangle is shorter, so there is a decrease in the performance. In which subject is the performance at par? From 2005 to 2007 the performance remains same. So we can see in the last one it has remained same because both the rectangles are of same height. This is how we read the double bar graph. This is one way of representing the information. What is the other way of writing the information? The other way of writing the information is in the form of grouping the data. You write the information of numbers in the form of making groups.